Got a beautiful big cedar tree here. And a beautiful pup. I'm out with Pepper. Just thought I'd do a quick video on planting trees. What are you doing, weirdo? What are you doing? You scared of a camera? Look. Come on. So I'm doing a video today on planting trees. You could call it giving back. I did a lot of tree planting in my past. We planted close to 100,000 trees in my life. So what we're going to do today is find some trees that propagated naturally and that are densely packed. We're going to pull out one or two, dig them out, and then I'm going to replant them back at a place that I'm trying to naturalize near my house. Piece of land down by the river that sort of filled in with invasive species. Just trying to fill it in with some natural stuff, some local stuff. Anyways, it's my birthday today. What do I want to do for my birthday? I would like to plant some trees. I like to do that every day. Finding little patches of naturally produced seedlings and removing some and then putting them somewhere else where they have lots of room, and it's cool because it's like a win-win situation. If you find yourself getting caught up in the day-to-day and worked up over stuff, maybe a bit too much, planting trees is a great way to reorient yourself. It reorients your time frame. And when you're planting a tree, you're not going to see any results for a long time. Trees I plant now will be barely reaching young adulthood when I'm at the end of my life. And 3-4 generations from now, maybe we'll look up at those trees and think, my, that's a beautiful tree. That's a good spot to cool down. Okay, so here might be a little opportunity. Got a cedar tree there. Cedar tree there. Cedar tree there. Cedar tree there. 4 trees. And they're not all going to grow. So here's a good example. Cedar tree. Cedar tree. Cedar tree. Cedar tree. Cedar tree. And this one is still alive, but not for long. And they all grew for a short time and died because there's no light. So this is kind of what I was just showing you. second chance. Funny, do this big hike looking for trees and haven't found too many, and I'm not gonna force it. I think what I'm gonna try and do is plant 54 trees on my 54th birthday. So far I've got 3, I need 51 more trees. And we'll see if I can pull it off. So, I was hoping for something like this. Kind of the mother lode. I can get the trees that I want. All these cedars on this very thin, rocky land that's kind of marshy. It's got about ½ an inch of soil. None of the trees are gonna get very big. And they're all clustered together here, and so you can just basically pull them out of the ground. It's all wet. So this is where I'm gonna get my 50 trees, and I'll leave this place in good shape. Just thin it out a bit. No one will ever notice. Most of these trees are gonna die soon anyways. And then I got my little forest that'll transport to a new location. Hardly making a dent. Well, I don't know if I got 54 trees, but pretty close. I think I probably did. That's the lesson. If you're trying to find trees, just don't force it. And keep searching till you find the right spot. And there was thousands of little saplings all bunched together in some soft, wet ground, and I could just pull them out. And it was perfect. So just wait for something like the hot top. That's 5 trees planted. 49 to go. This beautiful spot, hillside. There are some trees that come down, and it's a perfect opportunity to naturalize the place with some beautiful cedars. And we're at the Speed River. This will be tree number 6. That's 37 so far. This is 48. So we got 4 more to plant. It's called Welch Louis Rock. That's 51. Well, I did it. 54 trees planted on my 54th birthday. I still got a bag of trees to plant. Got too many, but 54 trees, 54th birthday. That's a challenge to all 53-year-olds out there. Well, I ended up planting about 75 trees by the time I got through them all. And no matter how you're feeling, if you go out and plant a bunch of trees somewhere, you're guaranteed to feel good after doing that. Just a little tip: if you're feeling blue, plant some trees, and it will be a good day. Anyways, can somebody check on those trees in 100 years?